Hi, friends! It's me, Abby, and my good friend Penny the piano is here.
Hello, everyone!
Welcome back to Abby's piano room. Did you have fun working on Brother John last time? That's great! Today, we're going to learn another fun song that you probably already know. Row, row, row your boat. Before we start, we will do a quick review of the location of our notes on the piano. If you remember from the first lesson, you were able to find the numbers 1 and 2 all over the piano. For row, row, row your boat, you will need to play 2 different number 1s, a low number 1 and a high number 1. Let's see if you can find them with me. Here is a number 1 in the middle of the piano. And here is another number 1. This one is the next little group to the right. Let's begin our exercise now. We're going to break this song into 3 sections so it's easy to learn. Let's start with section A. Remember, you will listen first and then practice it 3 times. Let's listen to this. Now it's your turn. 1, 2, ready, go! Let's play it again. 1, 2, ready, go! Last time. 1, 2, ready, go! Great job! Now, let's practice section B. Listen to this. Now it's your turn to play it 3 times. 1, 2, ready, go! Let's play it again. 1, 2, ready, go! Last time. 1, 2, ready, go! Awesome job! Now section C. Listen. Now practice 3 times. 1, 2, ready, go! Let's play it again. 1, 2, ready, go! Great job! Last time. 1, 2, ready, go! Awesome job! Now let's put section A, B, and C all together, playing the whole song together from the beginning. First, do you see this castle? We'll go on a quest to a faraway land. We are on a piano adventure. Let's begin! 1, 2, ready, go! Awesome job! That's it for today's lesson. This week, practice row, row, row your boat a few times each day. Try to keep the beat steady, just like rowing a real boat. You are amazing piano star. Next time, we'll learn something brand new. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you are becoming a piano maestro, one key at a time. You've got this. Bye, friends!
Bye, everyone!
Don't forget to come back next week for your next lesson. Want to keep the fun going after this lesson? I've got a special activity just for you. Be sure to have your parent click the link below to get this song. See you next time!